Hi, Luna. Luna, we are using this little microscope. It's a USB microscope to zoom in really close and look at things. So as you can see, this is the table that I'm on right now, and those are the woven fibers of the plastic that we're looking at. Oh, is that a fiber? There's like a fiber on my finger. Hold on. Oh, there's a little fiber on my hand. Look at that. That's crazy. What is that? I can't even see what that is. Oh, look at the little tiny fiber on my fingertip. I wonder how we can look at, like, let's go look at my tattoo. Let's go look at one of my tattoos here. Dawn, we're looking at stuff with a USB. Look, that's my tattoo ink. We're looking at we're using a microscope. It's a little USB microscope that I got off Amazon. I've been meaning to get it for the longest time. And we're looking at my tattoo. Look at the tattoo skin. And we're gonna look. Oh, that is so weird. That is so awesome. Let's look at a fingernail. That's my fingernail. Ooh, wait, where is it? Okay, that's the edge. Look how dirty the edge. Oh, look at my flesh move as I slide it along the. Oh, look at the edge of my fingernail, dude. That's so gross. My fingernails aren't even like dirty. I mean, if you look at it, like, they're not even that dirty, but everything looks dirty up close. Ew. Look at look at me like moving the flesh. Oh man, let's try this tattoo ink. It's just really just like random little hairs on my arm. Wow. Good. Yeah, of course we can look at a book. I'll show you in a minute. If you guys, whatever you want, feel free to suggest, and if it's something obviously that I have, we can take a look at it. A replacement lead pencil tip. Just like one of like your little slider. You can barely see it, but like one of those little slide-in mechanical pencil tips. Oh, look at the pen ink. Look at all like the different like browns and reds, because like obviously that looks black when you're looking at the ink. That's from a gel pen right here. But when you're zoomed in right here, you can see the red hues, you can see the brown tones, you can see the spatter of it. That is solid brown of hair. But then when we zoom in, you can see that's what's making up the brown. That's what's giving the illusion of brown. Yo, what's going on? How you doing today? What is happening? We're using a USB microscope. Okay. Oh, hey, look, a letter N. Look at that. Oh, perfect. Let's look at my iPod screen. So this is Somewhere I Belong by Linkin Park. Ooh. Alright, so now the brightness of the microscope is entirely off. Now it's just the screen of the iPod. Yeah, see, right there. That's what's making up white. That's making up the white background. That's literally default red, green, and blue hues. If you watch Slow-Mo Guys, Gavin did a video on this. So those are the LED color hues that are making up white. So when you're looking at the white on the screen, it's not actually white. Your eyes are disillusioned into thinking it's white, and really what you're seeing is this being blurred together. Oh, look at the knitting of my shirt, dude. Oh, I forgot. Hold on. So we're really small. Sorry. There we go. Look at the knitting of my shirt. That's crazy. Why does it look... Oh, this is a gray and black shirt. Let's say, why does it look silver? Ooh. Oh, look how dirty it is on the inside of the ring. It literally, dude, like when I look at my ring, 99% people would say this ring is totally clean. And then when I'm zooming in here in the cracks of the pentagram, you can see little schmutzes in there. Ew. Everything is dirty. It's like when you shine a black light. It's like when you shine a black light on something, right? And you realize just how absolutely fucking filthy everything is when there's a black light involved. But oh, look how dirty. Look at all like the little crystals. Like those are the little dirt crystals and like dead skin buildup and stuff. Worthy investment, dude. This is worth $26. Fuck yeah, it is. I was really skeptical that it wasn't going to be nearly as cool as I thought. Totally wrong, dude. This is awesome. This is everything I wanted it to be. The leg chin here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look at that one. It's sticking out of the skin right there on the top right. Oh, you can't see it. My webcam's in the way. Oh my god. Everything is so gross up close. Thank god we can't see that close. Everything is nasty. Is this appropriate? Oh, no, no. There's the gap of my mouth. Dude, that was just my fucking, it was just me pursing my lips. That is, everything looks so gross. Everything looks so disgusting up close. So I'm trying to get it up. There we go. Ew. Why is a tip of a thumbtack look like the tip of a spider's leg? That's like the best I can do. Why is the tip of a thumbtack so disgusting looking? I mean, it's been stabbed in and out of the wall. So, I mean, yeah, it's really just like shit from being stabbed into the wall, like the paint buildup and such. It looks like a sharpened steak that you use in 7 Days to Die. Pull out. Oh, look at the nerds. They're together. Ooh, the nerds are touching. That looks like red blood cells. Oh, there's one of those little. Oh god, it looks like schmegma. Looks like a schmegma urethra. It's one of those little like seams and cracks in a nerd. Ew, that looks like pre-cum. Bread? I just bought bread. Oh, look at that. Look at the crevasse. That looks like an infection. Let's look at a whole box of nerds. Oh, look at them! Hi, friends. Look at the little nerds. It's shaking. Look all like the micro movements of just me vibrating it. I'm just vibrating it and look at all the movements. And look at the quinoa first. You guys know what quinoa is, like little pasta ball. Ooh, that's a quinoa. Ooh. It looks like rice, but I mean, oh, look at that one. Ew, it looks like an alien head. Yo. What, you don't like quinoa? Oh, sorry, it's real food. It's not thumbtacks or pennies, so disgusting, right? Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Oh, right there. It looks like an alien sack. Oh, look, it looks like a spaghetti noodle. But that's a matchstick, folks. You can see the layers of the metal that make up its shape. So you got back here. Okay. Oh, that looks like we're looking up a nose. Oh, that's so disgusting. Look at that. It's like the tiny fibers and... Ew. It looks like I'm in somebody's nose. We already went up my nose. Not doing that again. Definitely not doing that again. So if anybody wants to volunteer their nose or any other parts, I'm still looking for a clitoris, but I don't think anybody's actually going to volunteer for that one. How different... Alright, so that's the marker on my fingertip. Is it a secret message? So how different does that look from the tattoo? Oh my god, it's so hard. There we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wait. Ew, what is that yellow bit? There's a fiber that it left behind. I think just looking at the folds of skin is one of the coolest things. Oh, there we go. There's the fingernail cartilage. That is so disgusting, dude. Nobody can ever find me attractive again after seeing this. But just so you know, you are the same. We are all the same. They're like the blood vessels. Do I have an injury somewhere? I do have this little tiny... Twitch, this is not gore. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to actually zoom on that properly. Oh, there. Oh, look at that. Look at the little boo-boo. Got a little boo-boo on my finger. Clotted the blood right there. Created that little scab. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. My brow ring. Fucking hell. My brow ring. Aha! It's my eyebrow ring. Ah, it stopped. We're gonna try to look at my eye again. Oh, it's so bright. God, the amount of focus. I'm trying to stay so still, but I keep shifting my eye, looking from here to there to here to there to looking dead in the middle of it. No more eye play. Fuck. Use it on a bug? I don't have a bug readily at hand, okay? I don't know who the hell you are. Just having bugs hanging around. Oh, ooh, look at the condensation on the water bottle. Is that the water bottle itself? Yeah, that's all condensation on the edge. So I have a candle, and I'm going to light the fire, and I'm going to try to get a zoom of the fire if possible. I don't know how well it's going to work. So I'm going to try not to damage this thing, but... There's a burning wick. Hold on. Freshly burnt wick. Breast milk. Fucking disgusting. Sick people. I have that. I have a CD right here. This is Jackie Chan's The Tuxedo. Oh. Very old DVD. I wonder if BB would let me touch his fur. Oh, that's Jackie Chan's face. Oh, that's his eye. That's Jackie Chan's eye. So, what we're seeing is this image. And then zooming in on that. What is that? Okay, there we go. That's what it takes to make his eye. Why? Because Jackie Chan is like one of my favorite actors of all time. I fucking love Jackie Chan. Pants! Pant fibers. Yep, those are my pants right there. Hey man, having fun isn't hard if you have a library card, am I right? This thing is old as fuck. It could be a parasite. Aw, fuck. Oh, fuck, it's a parasite. It's going to get me. It's going to get me. The barcode. Ew. Ew, the barcode's so dirty. Yeah, I don't have any cash, otherwise I would. Alright. Dylan. Thank you, Dylan, so much for the donation. I appreciate that. Dylan, shout out to Dylan for tipping $1 whole. Alright, let's look at this. Wrong, that's the wrong your. I hate you. That looks like hieroglyphics. Look at this ripped edge. Oh, look at that ripped edge. Well, I think this is a pretty good stream. I made a whole fucking $1. Hell yeah. It's more than I spent today. I spent a lot of money today. Maybe I'll get in trouble now with the US government for examining bills really closely. You're gonna look at that. It looks like somebody shredded fabric, but that's just the bill. It's just like the little hairs on the bill right there. Pretty sure bills are made from cotton. Are they? I know they're not made from just regular paper, but I don't know exactly what bills are made of. Look at my little Stardew Valley penny. She's made from those little little donut holes that you wax, or not wax, like the little plastic ones you melt together. You put in a mold, you make it like you plop the holes in the shape, you make a shape. Looks like a dead fly in there. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Used to do those all the time as a kid. God, that's trippy as fuck. Let's see. Oh, look, I found a pigeon. Hello, pigeon. For some reason, I keep thinking the controls for this are inverted. There's no controls, but I keep thinking it's inverted. Let's look at the actual... Oh, yeah, there we go. There's the loop. What's it called again? I don't know what that is. So, by the way, if you guys are wondering about the zoom of it, it just closed out on me again. It goes from 40 times all the way to 1,000 times. And I've got so many things. I'm gonna look inside of my iPod charging port. Oh my god. Ew. Ew. That is the worst one so far. Oh, it looks like earwax. That's fucking gross. I'm looking inside my phone charging port right now. I don't. Oh no. Oh. That's fucking disgusting. And this is again about 600 or 700 times zoom. So none of that is even really relatively visible outside of just a coloration. You know, get like just a little slightly different. That is so gross, man. By far the grossest I've seen. Pictures though. Oh my god, it's chock full of just garbage, man. Like it doesn't even look that dirty. Look at my speakers. It obviously doesn't look that. Oh. It doesn't even look that dirty when you look at it. Obviously, like it never does. But that's fucking horrendous, dude. It looks like somebody literally just smeared earwax all over my phone stuff. Guys, on a controller. What part of a controller? I found a dead bug. Now we're gonna look at him. We're gonna honor his memory by looking at his body. Oh, hello. Oh, dude, I got his head. What the fuck even is you? It's like a little mite thing. His little feet. It's like a Dark Souls boss. If only this thing had better resolution, because again, it only goes up to like 640 resolution. It is not the greatest. That's all your nutritional value, BB. These are actually really good bunny foods too. These are really good pellets. I don't get these from Walmart or anything. I buy these from Chewy, and they're made for just a healthy balance for organic for adult rabbits. So they are actually healthy. It looks like a piece of bacon in there. They're probably not very sharp tip. Ooh. Oh, look at the depth of that. Yeah, that's how dirty. I use it to cut something. You can see right there. I cut something that had glue. I was cutting glue shit with it. Ooh, booty flakes here. Oh, there's like little hairs and stuff stuck on it from the. Oh, yeah. These are scissors that they're not even that sharp. So I just kind of hung on to them, but I didn't actually plan on using them much again. That doesn't look sharp at all. Oh, it actually has a serrated edge right here. Ew. Ew, what is that? I mean, it's not food or anything, but it's just like some material got glue stuck in there. Alright, that looks like fucking Duke. Everything looks like boogers and earwax. Oh, look at the pepper. Is that a piece of quinoa? No, that's pepper. Look at the turd pepper. Why is it so gross looking? It just looks like beef jerky. Like, here we have a little light bulb. Try to look like, there we go. The little connectors that actually... Oh, it's a spring? I didn't know it was coiled. I guess that makes sense for it to constantly repeat that, the conduction. I guess that makes sense. I didn't know it was coiled. Connect. Oh, there we go. It's the base of the light bulb. So that's like. Goes to show how much like how little I actually know about anything I use. Oh, so right here we had the zoom of the actual glass itself, and then as we pull back further, so this is the glass in the front, right there, and then we pull out, and then we have the actual copper connector right there. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you for all your suggestions. I'm definitely going to do a stream like this again for sure, 100%. I just need to find some stuff to actually zoom in on.